Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the AmScope GT100 XY gliding table, a manual stage designed for microscopes. Product link is in the description below. This accessory is built for researchers, students, and hobbyists who want precise specimen control, smooth movement, and durable construction for their microscopy work. The design is compact and functional, finished in black with a sturdy build that attaches securely to most standard microscopes. The GT100 provides XY gliding capability, allowing users to move slides smoothly in both horizontal directions. This eliminates the need for constant manual repositioning, making it easier to scan specimens systematically. The ergonomic knobs are positioned for comfortable use, ensuring fine control during extended sessions. Performance is where the GT100 shines. The gliding table delivers precise movement with minimal resistance, enabling accurate navigation across slides. This is particularly useful for biological research, medical labs, and educational settings where detailed observation is required. The manual stage ensures consistent positioning, reducing errors and improving workflow efficiency. For hobbyists, it enhances the overall experience by making slide examination more intuitive and enjoyable. Usability is straightforward. Installation is simple, with the stage designed to fit securely onto compatible microscopes. Once attached, the XY controls allow smooth adjustments without disrupting focus. The durable construction ensures stability, preventing unwanted vibrations or shifts during observation. Its compact size means it doesn't add bulk, keeping the microscope setup streamlined. Durability and convenience stand out. AmScope engineered the GT100 with high-quality materials to withstand repeated use in labs and classrooms. The black finish resists wear, while the gliding mechanism maintains performance over time. Its manual design avoids reliance on electronics, ensuring long-term reliability without complex maintenance. Use cases are broad. For researchers, it supports systematic specimen scanning. For educators, it simplifies teaching by allowing students to navigate slides easily. For hobbyists, it adds precision and enjoyment to microscopy projects. In summary, the AmScope GT100 XY gliding table combines precision, durability, and ease of use in one accessory. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.